What's good, everybody? How are you doing? I'm about to pass a take profit trader account right now. Man, my hair is wild. Anyway, about to pass a take profit trader account. I'm like $150 away. Today I passed a Tradeify. Let me mute this. Today I passed a Tradeify account and we've already started trading it. It was a 50K and we're up like quite a bit on the night already, which is amazing. But let me get back to my trade here. I'm kind of nervous about it because it looks like it might try to come down. I'm trading NQ at the moment, so here, I'll see if I can put it on the screen here. Literally just like we're at 26,332. We need, it's a 25K. It was a free 25K. I noticed it was there, so I took it, but on a credit. Not sure how I got it or what or where it came from, but anyway, it's there, so I'm trading it. Still able to take a payout on Top Step, but I didn't. Waiting. I'm trying to build my buffers some more. Gotta be smart. I'm gonna set a sell limit here. Stop. Trading on Tradeivate. I've been trading Tradeivate for the last 2 days, man. I kind of like it. I like Ninja Trader too, don't get me wrong, but Tradeivate's so fast. So fast. I just don't like Tradeivate that much. It's kind of outdated looking to me. So is Ninja Trader, but Tradeivate's a little worse. I can't get VWAP on my Tradeivate account either here, which really sucks. I don't know why or how to do it. But anyway, how are y'all doing? How are you doing? How was your day? Did we make some money today? I know I did. I did. Had a great day. I'll show you my Top Step in just a moment. Oh, you sucker. Come on, go back up. I really don't want this to stop me out. We've kind of made new highs, kind of. Oh, not compared to this, but compared to this kind of roll down here. This is a higher high, another higher high. We need another lower. I'm going to lower my stop just a little bit. Give it a little room here. We have been having some gnarly candles to the downside, so I'm a little nervous about it. I'm down like 150, 130. We really just need a nice little pop, and I'm good. I might scale in here if that closes like that, because those wicks, man, I'm telling you. Nice. 23 seconds left. I'm gonna wait to scale in until that candle closes. Looks like it might be higher low. 10 seconds left. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's go, baby. I just need a couple $100. Not even. Need like 150. Boom. I'm at 347, so 447. A little more than 150. Revival Church of Atlanta. Hello, how are you? How are you? I am long currently. Yes, sir. I like the name, Revival Church. I'm hoping to pass my Take Profit Trader account today. I have to flip for a couple more days. I think let's see. So tomorrow will be my last day trading that account, which is great. Nice. We're up 30, $45. We just need another 110 and we're good. Come on. Who we got watching? Anybody here? Any of my regulars? We got Revival Church of Atlanta. At Meet, just subscribe. Thank you for your subscription, sir. Appreciate you. Cave, what's up, brother? What do you think, Cave? Gonna hit that VWAP? I think so. All right, we just need like $100 and we're passed on this account. $100. Well, we did. Still need about $110. Come on, Nasdaq, push. She wants to go higher, but man, she's taking her sweet time. Next leg, let's go. Come on. Not that way. Don't turn blue. All right. Might take us a minute to get there, but we're about to pass this account live on the YouTube. Price action has been bearish. Yeah, it's been kind of choppy, in my opinion. I've been trading the chop. I've been mostly buying at the bottom, though. I bought all this down here, and then bought this. Yeah. Well, you're not looking at Trade of 8 here. I've been trading this this here. I don't know if you can see. Let me fix it. This is what I'm looking at right now. And you can see my totals here. We're literally right there. We're about to pass. Need 26,500 for a 25K. This is a 50K. We're over halfway there. Come on, Nasdaq, push up, baby. You can do it. But price action has been bearish mostly, yeah. But I've been kind of chopping sideways. All right, we got Calvin Dotson. PA has been crazy, yeah. Bro, I'm in love with Replicanto, best copy trader of all time. Thanks for letting me know, Cave. I need to get it. I haven't been copy trading much, just because I've been trying to take it easy. Trying to copy less. But I'm glad you like it. I'm gonna get it. How much is it again? Like $50 a month or something like that. All right, this has got to be a bull flag here. This is the 1 minute. Let's check out the 5 real quick. 5's looking really bearish, but looks like it's trying to come back. Go back to the 1 here and execute. Nice, nice, nice. We just need like $80, $70. Good grief, Nasdaq. Give it to me. She's not wanting to give it to me right away. Just taking her time. Taking her time. Why does it show 85 here and 110 there? I don't understand that. I only have one trade open. That's the thing about Ninja Trader. It's a little bit behind, lagging. $447. We just need like $60, $50, 53 to be honest. I gotta let it go a little bit over because I gotta flip and fees. 442. Good grief. She's not wanting to give it to us. Cave Trader Mike 20 is the code I used. 150 lifetime. That's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and buy it, man. You have any issues like reversing trades on you and Any issues at all? All right, Nasdaq, you got to come up now. It's time. VWAP is so close. There's no way you're not going to test it. No way. Lord. This trade is killing me. I've been in this trade since here. And it went against me pretty heavy. Now it's going up. Let's go. Chris Peters, what's up, man? Cave, no issues so far. Heck yeah, man. All right, I'm going to buy Replicano. You need to get an affiliate account with them so you can make a little money off of it. Do they do that? All right, so sometime in the next week or two, I won't be able to live for a little while because we are buying a house. I fell in love with this place. It is nice. It's got a little work that needs done to it, obviously, but we're going to buy it and fix it up and live in it. I'm going to add to it. It's a 4-bedroom home. Beautiful. It's got a nice little creek running through it. Man, I'm in love with this place. Cave, they have a feature that you need to check market to flatten the accounts if they become unsynced after 10 seconds. That's cool. I can show you how to turn that on in Discord. I use market only. And it copies everything, limits, stops everything. Yeah, I'm going to check it out, man. I just don't, I haven't been copy trading much. So I'll wait just a little bit. Over the winter, for sure, I'm gonna get it. And actually, probably better buy it now because it will be probably go up in price, right? Chris Peters pulled 1,800 on that 50K Apex account first day. Whoa! Good job, man. Happy for you. That's awesome, man. Very cool. All right, we just need like 50 bucks here. Come on. Exactly 50. Let's go. Needs to be 150 bucks. I should have scaled in like I was thinking about. But I was more worried about it going against me. All right, we're 1 minute long. 1 minute long. Yeah, just wait. No worries. When you feel like you can copy trade, I just do like a couple accounts at a time. Yeah, I want to copy trade. I'll have more time. I don't trade at my desk anymore, except for at night. But during the day, I'm out on the road, so... Gapped up, should go up. Probably down for a moment, yeah. Okay, Nasdaq. Let's make new highs real quick. Just for a moment, that's all I'm asking. Just for a moment. It's not letting me pass this account, man. Oh my gosh. There we go. Come on. Come on. We just need 30 bucks. 30 bucks. Lord. This is killing me. This will be like 15 funded accounts that I'm trading right now. Heck, I don't even have time to trade them all. My funded account is my leader, just trying to pass a couple accounts 2 times fast. Yeah. I've been trading evals behind my funded accounts on Top Step. Speaking of Top Step, let me just pull it up. I had a decent day today, but it kind of went to... It wasn't terrible. This is my stats for the day. Whoa, what happened there? Here's my stats. Let me just pull it on over. Look how many trades I had to do. I was like up 300 bucks, and then I was down 300 bucks, up 300 bucks, break even. Now at 197. Man, it was a fun day. Fun day in the market, to say the least. I had a good time. All right, we're so close. 30 bucks, Nasdaq. Let's go. Dirty 30. Give it to me. Give it to me. She don't want to give it to me, man. It's crazy. Looks like she's trying to break down to the downside too, which really hurts. Really, really hurts. It's right there. Oh, it did hit VWAP. Jeez. Looks like I missed the mark. I should have put a take profit at what I needed. All right, we're about to get it. $20, Nasdaq, $20. $20. I pushed the button too soon. We need $5. $5. Man. Chris Peters, I stopped trading after 5 a.m. The night session was solid. Heck yeah, man. I'm trying to pass 3 right now. Heck yeah. Are you trading breakouts? Is that what you said you're trading? That sucks. I need $5 freaking dollars. See if I can get it real quick on a long here. Just a quick scalp. Probably end up needing more after this trade. It did gap up again, so we'll see. All right, we got it. 26,505, boys. Woo! I like these 25Ks because on Take Profit Trader, your drawdown is so small. So I'll be able to take payouts pretty quickly. So yeah, anyway. I can switch over to this one. Looks like we're kind of here at this high, so it's time to take a short. But I'm going to wait for price to confirm. I want to see some stuff like this wick. I'll make it a little bigger so you can see. I want to see like a wick and then another drop, something like this candle right here. And then I'll follow it down. And we've started. We got the wick. We got a wick here. Need a little bit more though. Price does want to come down, it looks like. We failed to close above this though, so I want to see what it does. Juan Ochoa, how many funded accounts do you have? 15, something like that. Chris Peters, yes, channel breakouts and price action. Same here, buddy. I like trading reversals. It's been my thing for a while. I've been trading reversals, trying to hone in on the skill, to be honest with you. I trade these wicks, man. These wicks, give it to you, boy. Dun, dun, dun. Dude, we're so close to 900 subs, so close to 1,000 subs. It's crazy. It's wild. All right, so yeah. Looks like it's going to start to come down a little bit. Finally got my Earn to Trade account. It was gifted to me by Earn to Trade live. So I plan to hit that account here in just a bit. It was a little bit of a process, to be honest with you. They only have Rhythmic, which I can't stand, man. I don't like Rhythmic. But it was free, so I'm going to try to get a payout and just report. Chris Peters, I'm not good at shorting, so I prefer pullback entries for longs. I lose most on short, so I try to stay away. Yeah, you know, I used to be the same way on longs. In the Forex market, every time I took a long, it doesn't matter what it is. Most of my trades were to the downside. Every time I took a long, I was stopped out. But shorts, man, good times for me. Um, I like to play both sides, but most of my trades are long trades. Let me just pull up my stats. I'm a natural bull myself. Today's stats were horrible, by the way, so don't judge. I already told you guys what it was about. But anyway, my profit factor was 2. Now it's 1 to 10. But my numbers, my green's higher than my sells or losses. So that's pretty good. 51%, so that's why I'm profitable. 62% on the day, which is still pretty good. What was it? Direction. So most of my trades are long and tend to be that way every day. Let's see, last week, still long. I take shorts, but not very much. Yeah, I don't have but like a week of data on here. Let's see. Maybe I have more than that. So this is the whole entire account. 446 long trades and 71 shorts. Is there a way to see how many short trades I won? And I don't know. Sunday appears to be your most challenging trading day. Consider adjusting your strategy or being more selective with trades on this day. I kind of like these notes, and they're always like on point. I wonder if they use AI to do that, or they look at the numbers. I don't know. Anywho. All right, time to go down. Maybe. Cave Trader, nice stats. Thank you, sir. I'm ready to start trading all 5 of these accounts funded, man, and just copy them. Every week, my trades are all green. Every day, green. Mostly 150 plus. I had one $50 day last week, but yeah, it's been pretty nice. My stats look good. You know, before I started really hammering down on my consistency, I was always making $5,000 a day, funded and evals. So now I'm just kind of honing in, trading less accounts. I have a lot of funded accounts, but I don't trade them all. I've been just trying to dabble around a little bit because I'm busy, number one, and number two, it's been better for me as a trader. All right, we finally broke through all of this, made new highs here. Let's wait for some confirmation to the downside. It's been in a sideways motion for a while. When was 6 o'clock? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, it's definitely been a lot of sideways action. Kind of to the downside. But. All right, we broke through VWAP. Take the payout. No. I can take 4 payouts right now, but I'm not taking a single one. Not having it. I really just want to build, and build. Is the market trying to reach this high, 323? I don't know. Trust me, I want to take the payout, but you know, $1,000 isn't gonna change my life or anything. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna take it. Not yet. If I lose the $1,000, 982, it is what it is. I don't care. It's not gonna kill me, but I'd rather take a $5,000 payout. That sounds good. That's not gonna be life changing either, but hey, it's better than 1,000. Look at that run up, man. I fully expected it to start reversing, but that's why we wait. Because if I would have got short here off this, yeah, we want to see some downward play before you get short. Raymond Lewis Pinchy Hernandez is challenge. This one, yeah, I think, yeah, this is a 50K take profit, and this is a 25K take profit that I just passed live on the YouTubes here. And 5X, baby. Yeah. Hey, man, why don't you make some top step accounts and trade them like I'm doing? But I've already traded my fundeds for the day. If you see my stats over here at the top right of your screen, these are all my funded accounts, except for the take profit at the bottom, and the $100 in profit is so I've made 158 and 64. So I'm done with the 158 one. I might trade it on another setup tomorrow, but for tonight, we're just gonna leave it as is. I don't have a reason to trade it, so right now I'm just trying to work on funded accounts because, man, night trading, I just get screwed over so much. Yesterday, or this morning, I started with a deficit of like, what, $400 was it last night that I lost on my Top Step account? Brought it back and some. It's 2 days in a row I've had to do this, and I don't like doing it, so I'm only down $24 on my Top Step account right now, but we're going to leave it like that. Cave Trader, they don't got that trade of 8, so I'll just go with like some other prop. You don't like the Top Step X, man? I didn't like it either, but after trading with it for a while, I do like it. Everyone says that there's like a lot of slippage and whatever, but anytime I've noticed any slippage, it's been in my favor, for one. And sometimes when they have like this big glitch and I lose money, they always fix it. So I'm not worried about issues because they do take care of it. And wow, look at that pop through VWAP. I mean, it is ripping. The FOMO is real, boys. The FOMO is real. Just try it out, okay? You might like it, and it's only $50 for an account. I just use Tradeovate and use the Replicon. Oh, I got you. You can copy trade these accounts. Copy trade. I have 4 copy trading my Express funded account here. These accounts do everything this account does, and it's real simple. And the numbers are exact. When I do get a bunch more funded accounts, I'm not copy trading like all the accounts at once. I'll copy trade all my Top Step, maybe all my Tradeify. Speaking of Tradeify, I had a really good day on my Tradeify accounts. Let me just pull it down here. So here are my Tradeifys. 515 total profit so far, 504 total profit so far, and this one's a brand new one. 2253. We're up 158 on it currently. These two are straight to funded, so I have to keep that 20% consistency. But I don't have to. My minimums are. I don't have a minimum, but on this one, this account, I have to make 150 50 5 days in a row. So that part sucks, but it is what it is. No worries. So soon I'll be taking like a $5,000 or $10,000 payout. Between all my accounts, I'll be taking like a $10,000 payout, which is really cool. Really cool. The journal. I'm gonna pull it up real quick and let's see. Here are me stats. I don't know why it shows profit factor of 0, but looking good. Looking good. All right, pullback time. They have Rhythmic for Ninja Trader, and I can't stand Rhythmic. It always loses connection when I have an order on, and once I lose connection, I lose the stop and take profit orders. Oh, man. What's up, Frank? How you doing, man? I don't like Rhythmic either, but I don't ever have troubles like that. One thing I've noticed whenever I'm copy trading my Rhythmic, the Rhythmic is like lagging behind seriously bad. So I'll make $1,000 on one trade, but $500 on the Rhythmic. So Tradify is 2 week for payout. 7 days. Let me just double check. Yeah, 7 days. 7 days. I'm 3 of 7 on 2 and 0 of 7. Well, 1 of 7 now on the other. I'm going to buy another account soon. Yeah, Rhythmic is dog she. Yeah, I agree. I don't like Rhythmic. So yeah, if you like Rhythmic, earn to trade, they're all right. Funding Ticks is pretty good. I like Funding Ticks. Use my code if you get an account. They're you have to make $2,500 to pass your 50K accounts instead of 3,000, which is really cool. You can set 1,000 or 5,000 as your payout buffer, and setting the 1,000 is probably what I would recommend. But Tradify, you can take a payout after your 7 days, and it hits your bank account. You'll have your money within an hour. It's super fast. I really like Tradify. I've been liking Top Step, but their payout takes a week. It takes 5 days. It took me 5 days to get a payout. It was my first account, my first payout. So, and what sucks is I'm eligible for a payout now, but I got to keep trading so I can build my account balance. And I'd rather take a larger payout. And they don't have any consistency rules on the funded account, so that works really good in my favor. I appreciate that hard. All right, Nasdaq, you are in long territory now. We're going for high of day here, huh? Let's check out the 30-minute chart for a moment. I don't like these pivots. How do you turn them off? Remove. This is the 30-minute chart, and she looks like she's bullish, boys. Got a little bit more candle to fill. Look at that beautiful cross. Praise you, Yahweh. My Funding Ticks accounts, I need to trade them. I keep forgetting about them. I got one that's about to pass. Need to get on it. She might continue to rip, boys. So we have a new Asian session high currently. And yeah. Let's see if it starts to drop now. Because we are at a level of interest right here. If we can get past all this, I expect a nice drop. And I expect one now, honestly, because, I mean, we're severely bought to the upside. And it's not just a sideways motion like this. It's a big up movement. So I'm not going to take any shorts. I'm going to take long positions probably down here at the bottom like I was doing here. I took this long on another account, but the reason why I took it was because I actually got in a little bit early off this doji. But the reason why I got in is because of this right here. We were at a level of interest, some key reversal areas. Yeah, I think she's going to pop to the downside now. I'd really like to see it close at 23,344 or lower. For me, on an eval, I'll just sell it. This is an eval, but we're so close. I don't want to just sell it. Oh yeah, I forgot what I was doing here. All right. What do you guys think? coming down or is it going up some more? I feel like it, I don't know, it's 50-50 obviously, but I think it goes up a little bit before it comes down. My best guess. I mean, I've seen this situation all too many times. Like, you see, tricks you to the downside and then comes up. But we are extended, so it could be just trying to save itself. I don't know, man. I don't know. See what I mean? Like, try to save itself, one last ditch effort to go up, and then boom. Lots of indecision here. If I was a betting man, and I am a betting man, I'd play it down. Definitely. I feel like we need to get below the 344 though before I take any kind of short positions. And maybe even lower. Look at that. Boom. I love it when I'm right. All right, we're short one contract, Nasdaq mini. Don't you pull up on me now. I'm just looking for a couple $100 here. I'm not trying to trade to the moon here. I'm gonna add a second contract. We're not in my... Okay, we're in the 50K. What are we up so far? We're only up like $100 on this account right now. Need to make some more. And the reason I'm trying to trade Evade is because I've been trading it a lot lately on my iPad while I'm out, and I'm still trying to get used to it, so might as well just keep on keeping on, right? All right, we're up $100. So I think I'm gonna scale in a little bit more here. Momentum is kind of pushing, which is good. We just need a nice little drop, and I'll take my profits somewhere right around here. I'd like to get this account most of the way past for tomorrow so I can finalize it. This account, I don't know how much time we have left on it. 50K, 5891. Yeah, that's it. We have been trading this account, wow, for 9 days. I just don't trade. I didn't trade anything for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. I didn't trade a single bit. So don't come up on me now. All right, we're 4 contracts short. I just need a nice little drop, Nasdaq. Oh my, you dirty thing. God. That's okay. It's not scaring me just yet. Pullbacks are healthy in the market, you know? I got my stops here, so risking a few $100 to make a few hundred. I kind of want to lower this take profit just a tad. There we go. If it goes above that, I want to scale out of the trade. So we'll just take some loss. We're still up $17.50 on this account. Now we're down. We're still up $5. No biggie. I still need one more stop. Yeah, we're finished on that. Oh my. We lost 370 on that trade, but she is reversing back to the upside. And that's some serious momentum. It could be a trap though to make people think that it's, I don't know, I think it's revisiting. I'm gonna let it do its thing for a minute and get back into the short. What do you think, Cave? Up or down, sir? I feel like we have to come down for a little while. That's just my opinion. If it hits that candle high again, I'm out. Nice, that's pretty good. What's pretty good? You think it's going up? I bet that was like a bull flag on the freaking 5 minute. Didn't even think about that. Look at that. I agree. Probably going up. When's the 5 minute close here? 2 minutes left. Come on, Nasdaq. Give me some money. The Bulls are not playing any games. Yeah, they aren't. All right. Well, that was a bull flag 5 minute chart. 30-minute chart still looks pretty bullish. The 1 hour needs to come up some more to get. Yeah, it's still bullish. The 1 minute though, man. If you look left, it's, I don't know. Plus, it's like just super extended. So I don't know why you shorted, but that's understandable considering we were selling off the past week. Well, the reason I shorted is to test this level here. We're in this little area. I wasn't sure it would make it, but plus all day we've been down and price is super extended. We're way off of VWAP. So, and I didn't think about the 5 minute chart. I should have looked at it because I would have noticed that was a nice little bull flag. I wasn't paying attention. Still on the 1 minute, a little bull flag too. I don't know how to draw on Chris Peters. It's back inside orb, pushing for New York open high. I don't know, man. I don't think it can go much higher, just to be honest. Thanks, KU. Yeah, I was really just thinking we're too extended. Here's a level of interest from earlier, and yeah, it's just next level of interest would be like the 440. Might be trying to print a bull flag on the 15-minute now. Oh, super hard rejection. Might stair step all the way overnight. This is clear rejection. It's just a matter of time. I can show you this setup right here over and over again. And then price goes down. But I can show you sometimes it does go up. But see, like right here. Tries for one more squeeze up, and then down we go. This is the opposite. Up. Coming from a short or a downtrend, and then boom. I mean, this is a classic reversal. Especially with this candle, depending on where it closes. Frank DeVries, what's your bias for tonight? Honestly, price action looks pretty bullish. Started out pretty bearish, but it's recovered, and I think we might see some trading above the 460s, 480s. I'm not sure though. Let me just go to a higher time frame and kind of scope it out a little bit. I mean, we've kind of reversed at this level here. We've got to get through this 440s. If we do get through this, I think we kind of get back to the 800s potentially by tomorrow. If price decides to go that way. I mean, it doesn't mean it will. We were in a nice channel here. When was this? The 18th. I don't know. It's definitely looking like it's reversal territory for sure, to the upside overall. But shorter time frame, it looks like it wants to come down a little bit, but I don't think it's the play to make. I think you wait until it does come down a little bit, and then you take your long entries. Shorts are out of the game for now. If we do pull back, I don't think we pull back this whole move. I think we come back somewhere in here to here. So from like 330s to 310s, 300s. Not much. I don't think we get all the move. Potentially. We've got to create a new trend now. We're breaking highs. So Cave is right. It's going up. So with that said, I am going to place a trade overnight on Micro NQ before I go to bed on an eval. That was the pullback. Now we rip. Yeah. You're right. That's what it looks like, man. Which one do I use? I'm going to do two. We're going to do my funding ticks because I'm close to passing it. 8316. I'm going to place a buy. I'm going to get the stop way down here and my take profit way up here. 23 580s. Let's just look at that real quick on a higher time frame. I believe we can do it. That's we're at 365. Couple hundred points. Almost, yeah, couple hundred points. Let's do it to 500. Have a 1-to-1 here. Actually, I want to risk a little bit more. All right. Funding ticks is ready. Chris Peters, 23,366 is top orb on TradingView. 366. Gotcha. Good to know. And then I guess we'll do earn to trade. Man, oh man, oh man. All right, buy one micro. We're gonna move our stops. Take this one to 497,500. All right. Stops, low of the day. What was the other one? 8316. Bring my stop to low of day here. 66 points to go. 23,366. 66 points to go for what exactly? If top of orb is 23,366. Look at there, we're already up $5. 7 on the other. See how Rhythmic just sits there? It doesn't move much. It's crazy. To top of orb. If the, let's see, 23,366 is top orb on TradingView. So we're already at top of orb. If you said 23,366 is top of orb. Did you mean bottom? 23,300. Man, I think you're delayed. TradingView. TradingView price is currently 23,365. I think something's wrong with your data, man. On M&Q, it's the same. Or, yeah. Maybe you read it wrong, man. I'm not sure. I hope not. All right, guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button for me. Much appreciated. Like, subscribe, smash that like button. Help us get out to more and more people. We are a brand new streaming channel, and appreciate the support. Oh, TradingView is delayed. Yeah, TradingView is definitely delayed. What's your price on gold, man? I'll tell you what it is on my TradingView here. Gold is 383 currently. 383. Gold's looking like a good short. I'm not subscribed to real time, so I watch Gold Spot and Nas 100. Gotcha. Nice. Beautiful cross. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. And price is moving up. Yeah, Forex futures. So you're watching like AUDX or something. I can't remember what gold was on Forex. Prices are different, but the action's pretty much the same. Gotcha. Making new highs and lower highs, or higher lows. And the percentages are the same. Gotcha. It just confused me. I didn't know what. Yeah, XAUD. I couldn't remember if it's AUDX or XAUD. But yeah, I used to trade that. And I'm in the US. I had a Canadian account when I first started Forex. I used to trade an XAUD. Bro, don't forget we live in a great time for futures trading. Oh yeah, Trump, MAGA, gold to dollar spot. We have props now. Yeah, that too. It is amazing what we can do currently. Agreed. Praise Lord. Praise you, Lord. It's amazing to make the money we make too, man, isn't it? Did you get your payout recently? On Apex? Or are you still building buffer? You don't care much for Trump? You're not illegal, are you, Cave? Alright, I'm going to take a buy position on this account real quick. It's got to come up if it's going to keep going. I'll put a stop here. Still in drawdown? Oh man, that sucks. I trade Forex also, just getting into NQ and prop firms. Nice, man. I left Forex and came to futures. Forex is just too much, man. I'd rather just trade one chart instead of looking at several different. Ooh, I like that pop to the upside. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. I'm a second contract long. I really like this wick. But it's okay, I have it handled. LOL, no, I've been here over 20 years. I'm American as it gets. I'm glad you got it handled, man. Keep that account, man. It's been, what, 100 days traded now? You got to be close to 100, if not. I'm not a big fan of Trump either, but I'm a Republican, and I'd rather have Trump than Sleepy Biden or Kamala Harris or any Democrat for that matter. Yeah, I only stick to a few pairs, otherwise it gets overwhelming. I mostly traded USD JPY and Euro USD. Tay Day, hello, how you doing? All right, price is about to pop or drop. What do you guys think? Pop or drop? Don't forget we got this indecision here, some wicks here. It's hard to say. Looks like it's dropping. If it goes below this, I want out. Go ahead and move my one stop there. We need better presidents, yeah. Wow. Look at that. Go. Nice, nice, nice. It should continue up past these highs now. Make some new highs. That's what I hope. Because I had a big day trading. Yeah, but yeah, the 50K fund is at 54K. I need to hit 56 to get paid. Gotcha. Oh, you went over your consistency. I've done that a time or two. I like ending my night watching your stream. You have good energy. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. I'm boring, but calm. So I need to comply with 30% consistency. Hope it works out, Cave. I'm not a big fan of this candle, though. I figured it was breaking a new high. Yeah, it looks like it's going to try to, but this bullish green bar is getting reversed. Reverse, reverse. Well, look at that gap. Man. I'm moving my stop up and de-risking. I can't. I'm not a fan. Down to one contract now. Charles Zhang, outside candle shows downside on 1 minute. Yeah, I know. I was looking at that too. But the trend is overall up, so I'm a little nervous about taking any short positions at the moment. I'm on the 1 minute chart right now. It looks like a reversal, a classic reversal right here. And I trade these a lot. That's mostly what I trade during the day, but yeah, I didn't take this one because if you look, I mean, we're breaking highs, and on higher time frame, it's definitely wanting to come up. The Banny 88, thank you for subscribing and for hanging out with us. But yeah, I mean the long term play is to the upside, so. We'll see how it goes. We're down 120 now. I don't. Whoa, I didn't realize I was down that much. What happened there? $700. It shows different on my Ninja Trader account. I wonder what's up there. How many points was that? I don't know what happened. Looks like a good buy time now. I'll take a little risk here. Peters, big players moving in. Seems like they started being more active at night this week. I haven't noticed. I have noticed it's still slow. If it breaks the lows, we got a long drop. Yeah. If it goes below here, I'm out. This needs to wick. And it didn't. I'm going to take my loss and run. I don't trade this much size in fund accounts, by the way. This is just an eval. Vibes as a daily bias. That's okay. We passed one trade 550K and a take profit trader 25K. So I'm happy. Sometimes we get accounts that just kind of bite the bullet, but it's okay. No big deal. All my fundeds are looking good though. Damn, it scared you out. Yeah, it did. That gap we had initially on this thing and then closing right here. I thought it was going to close lower. And if I remember correctly, I feel like the wick definitely went lower than... Oh, I moved this. That's what it was. Yeah, we wicked down past it, though. I think it's still a seller's situation, man. Look at this head and shoulders playing out. I think it's coming down. For now. I think lots of upside still. I don't know, man. Maybe. Playing out right now. Yep, she's coming down. Coming down. I bought an account from the Ashes. Feels good. From the... Oh, you brought an account from the Ashes. Feels good. That's good, man. Charles Zhang, Harami, another one. Harami, another one. Told you, Cave. It's coming down, bud. I don't know how long, but... I can't believe I'm down 985 on this account. That really stinks. I don't remember being down that much on the account. That's okay. I'll just risk it tomorrow on market open and try to make like 1500. Harami candle. Sorry, shows downside. Gotcha. Is that like an indicator? Oh yeah, so back to what I was saying, we're about to buy this house and got to get everything moved over, so I'm probably going to be out of pocket for about a week. Oh man, I'm long. We get paid either way. Yeah, on Trade-Evate. I'm on Trade-Evate now. Where's it at? I'm not too familiar with it either, just so you know. Cave said he's long. All right, I'm going to get long with you, Cave. One contract. We'll see. I'm going to put my stop at the low over here. If you make me lose this trade, man, we can't be friends. Just kidding. Yeah, we get paid either way. Look at that, man. Jeez. Okay, man. Nice buy. Rich people need to feel the burn for overinflated prices. Man, prices are inflated. It's really ridiculous. The house that we're buying, it rents for like $2,050 a month. Literally. It's insane. LL, you going to lose that trade with a stop that tight. Where should my stop be, man? Oh, right here. I'm about to blow this account with a stop that loose. Look at that. I told you she was coming down. I should have went with my gut. Maybe the wick up. Nope. Gap down. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. This is the stream where we trade and lose money, guys. You might want to hop off. Jesus, that sale is going to be insane. Man, look at that doji. No longer a doji. Below 350 is going to sell hard. Yeah, I feel like it's got to get a little more than that. See, like I said, this is an area of interest. I mean, I was thinking more right here somewhere, but it went even higher and then a sell off here. So I was right initially. Execution was not completely right, but look at that. It's reversing. Reverse. All right, Cave. We're friends again. Just kidding, man. One micro. Woo, 23,382. $382. Are you short? How's your... Yeah, I saw a reversal. It was starting to break down. This is what I call a breakdown. Price, it shoots real hard up and then kind of breaks down, and it tries again, comes down, tries again. It doesn't usually try a third time, but to me this could have been two plays. This looks like it was trying to do some sort of channel to the upside for a while, but this is breakdown territory again. This is what I trade during the day, actually. I wait and sit and wait for stuff like this right here. If price is really bullish like these candles right here are, then I'm down, I'm shorting. But if it's kind of sideways, like, shoot, I can't control the screen here, like this, then I'm probably playing bull flags. Typically, I want to see price break below a certain point, though. And like right now, this is looking short territory for me still. We're down $20 on our short or long position. What's up, Dan? How you doing, brother? All right, Dan will know. Are we long bias for the day or short bias for the day, sir? Never too late. Is it shorts now? Man, I can't answer that question for you. I don't know. In my opinion, for now, yeah. But we'll see what Dan has to say. He's our veteran trader. Longs could still be in play too. I mean, this could just be a higher low here. You in a good long, John. Maybe so, man. We'll see. Initially, I was counting this as a higher low, but we kind of broke it. But you can kind of almost see that as just a slight pullback. I need to be in a $950 long for this account. Living the dream, man. I think tonight is going to chop, taking the night off. Chop City. It's been Chop City all day or all night. Crypto still drops, I'm sure. Highs were taking consolidation before another leg up. Mateo. These are all good ideas, but at the end of the day, no one really knows. That's why I play shorter term trades, because it works for me, I'm up 93K this month. I think I might take the rest of the week off, to be honest. Price is getting spooky. Spooky ain't the word, man. Golly. It's been wild. All right, we're getting out of this trade. Exit. $35 loss. I don't like it. I do that all day, though. That's how I stay consistent with my earnings. True, the market can do whatever it wants, and it's always right. 100%, man. 100%. 93K, though, man. Dang. That's awesome. Weird how crypto can trade parallel to stocks. Yeah, man. Here's another chop. Might be an okay time to buy if we're going to continue to do the same thing over and over. Market does like to repeat itself. I would wait till it reaches here to take your opportunity and then set a tight stop, 10 points. But could come down more though. The candle looks pretty nasty. Gotta cut them early. Yeah, I agree, man. I've had a really good week this week. Last week, too. I don't trade near as much as you do, though, Dan. I have a job. See, like I said, good time to take a long, let it hit the high of this candle and out. I'd take it out now, actually, though. If you took the long down here, like I said, how many points was that? 351, 255, so about 4 or 5 points. Not bad, not bad. Leveled up trading skills. I blew the 3 evaluations today over trading. You know, over trading gets me every time. Every time I get up, I'm up like $500 on my Top Step accounts, and then I'm like, oh man, that setup looks so good. But the key thing is to take only setups, right? If I'm up $500, I'm only risking some of my profits for more, right? But sometimes it brings me down pretty heavy, so I gotta trade back up. Dan is unemployed trash. Going back to warehousing, so Asian markets will be it for me. Gotcha, man. Hey, get used to whatever works. You know, if you stay on the same time, trade the same times every day, you'll get used to what happens. You know, find your setups for that time frame or that time of day and make it happen. Quick fix for overtrading, rotate accounts. Absolutely. That's why I have a bunch of evals and a bunch of funded. I'm just right now trying to take Top Step for all I can take them for. And take Profit Trader and Tradeify. Kermit, haven't seen your name here before. Being unemployed in these is trash. Everyone is hiring. Kermit, it was a joke. He's not trash. He made $93,000 this month. I'll take that over being employed any day. That is a quarter of my current situation in business. My business does just over 4 under 5 a year. So, $93K, and I see his stuff all the time. He's for real. I could bring a laptop and look for swing options in the day. Yeah, you could, man. Might want to try that one again with coherent English, Kermit. Okay, then. Yeah, Dan is a legend around here, man. You didn't know that? He fought for our freedom too, man. We can't disrespect him. He's a soldier. All right, take that long again right there. Chop City. I love these little situations. They trade for a few, 30 minutes at times, and then it's gone. Look at that bar up. All right, Kermit, you're in timeout, sir. Just kidding, but we don't cuss around here much, man. Where I live, they offer under 40 hours at most jobs. Too much demand. Vibes, man. If you were just a little bit closer, I would hire you, but you got to get licensed. If you decide to move up closer to like Fayetteville, just north of the line of Alabama, man, I'd be happy to hook you up. That's a coherent as it gets. been drinking since. Can't say you drank all day unless you started in the morning. Yeah, that's true, man. Vibes, you're in Huntsville, right? Or was that someone else? I can't remember. I think it was someone else. All right, here's your selling opportunity. Timeout. I was joking, man. I just deleted your message. I don't like the cussing. What time frame is that? This is the 1 minute. Or no, sorry. Yeah, 1 minute. I saw the 5 and I was like, oh. I'm about to hit the hay, boys. You're in Florence. No, I know that there's another Vibes. Someone else asked me for, he like lives real close, wanted to come work for me, but he's an hour and a half away. So from me, I know where you are, Dan. We still need to meet up sometime too, by the way. My last job worked everyone 4 to 6 hours a day. I live in Kansas. I got you. I've been to Olathe, Kansas. Oh, sorry about the cussing. And then you still do it, man. Rewording the stuff is the same, bro. I just don't like it. I try not to cuss in my day-to-day life. It just looks bad on you, man. It looks bad on you. And plus, I'm a Christian, man, and I appreciate not having to hear and see all that. Central Florida. Heck yeah, man. My wife is from Tampa. Yeah, Dan, I'm down. You ever hit up Nashville or anything like that? Or Huntsville or Olathe is expensive life. Yeah. We had family there. In Olathe, I fell down the stairs one time with my daughter Haley in my arms, and I held her up. It was a long flight of stairs. I slipped. I was wearing socks, and it was carpet. Slipped real far, all the way to the bottom. Holding my daughter. She was just born, too. Wild times. There's a restaurant in Olathe called Granite City. The place is pretty bomb. I went 2 months ago to Nashville for a weekend, heading back that way in March, but really right down the road. How far away from Nashville are you? Been to Sevierville many times. My wife wants me to take her. We got married in Sevierville on election day. So my wife wants me to take her back. We're only like 3 hours from Gatlinburg. So we go to Gatlinburg quite a bit, but time to go back. I like going when it's cooler outside, though. Yeah. Wow. So I was there November 5th, getting married. I lived in Lenexa, stayed in an extended stay hotel, part of my wanting to live life phase. Yeah, we've all been there. Oh, you're 2 hours from Nashville? How far is Florence? Let's see. Two hours and 13 minutes. Two hours and 13 minutes. Florence, Alabama. Let's meet in Huntsville. Anywhere is cooler this time of year for us here in Florida. Yeah, really. It's insane hot down there. I want to go to the Keys, but she's third trimester pregnant, so don't really got any nice golf courses over there. Yeah, we have a lot of golf courses here. We're kind of in a ritzy town. I treat a lot of the houses in those golf course neighborhoods, but yeah, we've got quite a few nice ones here in Tullahoma, but I don't know about Huntsville. I'm on the TN line, so it's about an hour and 45 from my house. Gotcha. Bristol is a cool place to go. Been there for a few races in March. Yeah, I've been to Bristol too. I like Tennessee. I like Tullahoma, Tennessee, where I live. It's really nice. Keys is the best in November, December. I agree, man. Oh my gosh. Miami and Florida Keys was super hot. It was insane. We couldn't enjoy the beach. Next time I go to Keys, it'll be November, December. Robin has gotten so much better. I remember the 2 device days. Robinhood. It's been a while since I've been on Robinhood. I have a IRA on Robinhood. I need to find something better than what they got in Florence. Tullahoma's nice, man. It's nice up here. About to buy a house. Really nice place. Just stand with your butt to the wall. There is a lot of weirdos down there checking you out. There's a lot of weirdos everywhere. My wife is always being stared at by everybody. People are stuttering when they talk to her sometimes. It's crazy. She is beautiful, but it's just wild. I've never seen guys rubbernecking so much in my entire life. The other day, they were walking in a store at the mall, and this guy was there, and the girls asked Megan if they can pet the dog, and she said no. So this guy gets mad, saying, well, first he said it doesn't bite, and she said, I don't care, I don't want them to pet it. She was nice, and he got mad, called her a bee, and followed her around, and it was just, ugh. I raced to get there, but by the time I got there, he was gone. That should make you feel proud. Oh yeah, my wife is amazing, man. I'm very proud. Super hot, super pregnant. They have charting software now, so you don't need to go back and forth. I see what you're saying. Kermit, ha ha ha. All right, dudes. I'm going to bed. I got to get up in the morning. It's 10 o'clock here. I'm going to leave this trade open. It may not work out, but whatever. We'll see how it goes. I'm done for the day. We done. Later, man. See you, dude. Thanks for hanging out.